What other people can also do is, even if they don't have a Microsoft Teams account, they can still join to the meeting as a guest. So to do that, you can go around and click on Show Participants and click on Share Invite. I'm just going to copy out the link right here. And I have another browser opened up right here where I am signed in with my other account right here. So I'm just going to go around and access out that particular URL right here, as you can see. So over here, you can see that I am not using any ID. So all I need to do is click on continue on this browser right here. And let's see what happens just like this. So I can open up Microsoft Teams on my computer right here, or let me just press cancel. I'm just going to go around and use the web version right here. So I'm just going to go around and click on use web version, and over here this is what you have, as you can see. So this is the meeting, as you can see, and it prompts me to enter out the name right here that I want to join the meeting with. So I'm not actually signed in with any ID. I can go around over here and simply type in, let's say for example, TutorTube test right here, just like this, and then click on sign in, and it says the organizer will let you in. So over here on this side, even if this person does not have any ID, you can see it says meeting guest right here, just like this. So you can go around and press the tick mark button right here, and then the person will be admitted onto the meeting, as you can see. And for this process, they didn't have to have any ID. They were able to directly join in the Teams meeting like this. And that is how you can join a meeting as a guest inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.